Is it illegal to honk your horn for no reason?
Kid is in the jungle. Kid is in the jungle. Kid is in the jungle.
Hey, what are you doing? Can you stop that?
Stop what? Oh man, what is that? Am I getting pulled over?
Sir, do you know why I pulled you over?
I was just having some fun with my horn. What's the problem?
Honking your horn without a reason is against the law.
Really? It was just a little harmless fun.
It might seem harmless, but it is distracting to pedestrians and other drivers.
I was just having some fun and making music.
Save the horn for emergencies only, not for making music.
Honking your horn for no reason might seem fun, but it actually causes a lot of distraction. Use your horn responsibly and only for emergencies. Keep your beat making to the studio and not for the streets. And remember, call Joe Naz for all your legal problems.